Hello everyone, how are you all? Today we are going to learn W sound story. First of all, we will recognize pictures. W window, waterfall, wolf, woman, wool, wazid, wash, watch. Now it's story time. W sound story. A woman went to a waterfall with her son Wazid. The woman took out a ball of wool and started knitting. Wazid was very happy to see a waterfall. He took out his watch and started washing his hands. Suddenly, a wolf came out of the window of the house. The woman and her son got scared and ran away. Now let's have a quick recap. Window, waterfall, wolf, woman, wool, wash, watch. Thank you everyone.